Here we've got Nokia 5.1 and let me show you how to add a Google account on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to go to the accounts and click on add account. Select the dedicated one, in my case it's Google. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because you need internet connection. That's it. So let me refresh it. Google. And now your device will check all the information. If you have previously logged with Google, obviously it will find it, and if not, you will be able to log in or create a new account. So here, this icon is for creation a new account, and I will log in with my existing one, so it's HardReset.1@gmail.com. And then click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on next. Finally, just come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. So if you'll click on the link, you will be able to open the documents here. So just read the terms, and if you agree with them, click on I agree. And that's it. Also, we can activate the backup to Google Drive option. It's a truly useful one. Click on accept. And as you can see, your Google account is created here. Then if you would like to remove it for some reason, just click on this user and tap on remove account. Confirm that you would like to remove this account. Just remember that removing will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. But if you still want to do it, click on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it disappeared. So actually that's all. This is how you can add and remove Google account from your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.